Welcome to Tesla Vision. Today we will talk about the most recent Tesla news and updates. Let's get into it right away. Tesla, the world's most prolific manufacturer of electric vehicles, appears to be conducting some benchmark testing of one of the world's quickest and most powerful pickup trucks today. Recent teaser footage from the Fremont facility shows the automaker arranging what looks like a Ram 1500 TRX at its test track, more probably as a part of Cybertruck's development. The first images and clips of the Ram TRX were recorded by a Tesla enthusiast and drone operator who goes by the name Gaben Cal. Gaben Cal has been providing updates on the company's Fremont facility over the past year. The drone operator managed to spot a truck that looks very similar to the ridiculously priced and climate change accelerating Ram 1500 TRX. Along with the Ram 1500 TRX were some Model 3s and a Model S, which were also waiting on the test track. While Tesla has not explained the presence of the Ram TRX trucks at the Fremont factory's test track, the sighting of the testing equipment fitted around the truck gives a clear indication that Tesla might be performing some benchmark testing against the company's Cybertruck. For any vehicle development, benchmark testing is a vital part, as it enables the manufacturer to tick off the boxes and ensure that the final product is as competitive on the market as possible. Considering that Elon Musk has noted that the Cybertruck has been designed to outdo the world's best pickups, it makes perfect sense for the automaker to benchmark its all-electric monster against the ludicrous Ram 1500 TRX. No denying that the Ram 1500 TRX is the world's most formidable super truck today. It comes with the same supercharged 6.2-liter Hemi V8 engine that is utilized in other beasts such as the Charger, Dodge Challenger, and Durango Hellcat models. This type of engine is capable of delivering up to 702 horsepower and 650 pound-feet of torque. The Cybertruck has been built to disrupt both trucks that are designed for serious work. There is no better benchmark for the Cybertruck than the best traditional pickups of today. The Tesla Cybertruck is slated to enter limited production sometime by the end of the year, which seems quite feasible given that Gigafactory Texas build-out is ramping up at record speed. Musk has also noted that the mass production of the all-electric pickup may hit pace in 2022. The fact that Tesla's Cybertruck is still some months away from mass production and deliveries has not stopped some companies like Streamit from adding crazy mods to the all-electric truck. For instance, the Cyberlander, an attachment that will transform the Cybertruck into a kitchen, bathroom, and bedroom, all within the truck's vault or bed, has gained popularity and attracted massive pre-orders, worthy some $50 million. While the Cyberlander will add parasitic loads of 1,200 pounds to the Cybertruck's weight, the anxiety of range reduction is minuscule, usually 5%. When the Cyberlander was revealed on the 6th of April this year, the idea was warmly welcomed by EV enthusiasts and those who already placed their Cybertruck orders. Cybertruck owners were undoubtedly impressed with the announcement, and a $5,000 deposit was not a big deal for them. According to a press release by Streamit, the company behind the idea of the Cyberlander, over $50 million in future revenues has already been taken in. The company's co-founder Bill French believes that the massive popularity of the Cyberlander is due to enthusiasm. There are lots of people who want to share their views as to some of the many new uses for the Cyberlander. For example, parents at athletic matches, or the ability to boondock and overland to places previously inaccessible to a traditional RV, Bill said. We estimate Cyberlander will be used 2 to 3 times more than traditional RVs because it is so easy to take with you, he added. The Cyberlander's development is still proceeding at a remarkable pace, and Streamit has decided to seek some advice from seasoned experts like the legendary Tesla fan Sandy Munro. Sandy Munro is one of the most notable experts in the electric vehicle sector. His series on the Tesla Model Y last year made him famous. That's why Streamit has hired him, along with his associates, to help ensure high quality while the company is manufacturing its Cyberlanders. StreamIt CEO Lance King believes that about 10% of the Cybertruck reservation holders have come across the Cyberlander in less than a month since it was unveiled. King is hopeful that an overwhelming number of Cybertruck reservation holders will inevitably make their reservations for the add-on. He sets the estimates for the Cyberlander at 10,000 units by 2022. At the moment, the add-on is selling at $49,995, but StreamIt is reportedly running several promotions that will make it more affordable. Caviar Royal Gift, a popular luxury brand that is better known for gold plating and customizing Apple products, iPhones, for the rich and famous, has now turned its attention to EVs, and more specifically to Tesla Model S Plaid Plus. The company has converted the all-electric flagship sedan into the most expensive and stupidest Tesla car yet. Over the years, Tesla EVs like Model 3 and Model S have been modified several times by Tesla and third-party companies like T-Sportline, Unplugged Performance, and many more. Unplugged Performance, for instance, is a Tesla performance modification and tuning company. Recently, Tesla Model 3, modified by Unplugged Performance, won the race against Porsche Taycan Turbo S in All Japan EV Grand Prix. T-Sportline, on the other hand, is known to make aesthetic modifications to Tesla vehicles. However, this is not the case for Caviar. The company has spent the better part of its established presence making things more extravagant. Caviar took on a new project that goes beyond telecommunications, but still falls within the expensive tech industry by revising a brand new Model S sedan, rocking a $164,990 fully loaded Model S Plaid Plus with every available upgrade. Tesla Model S Plaid Plus boasts some impressive performance specifications to ever be released for a production EV, thanks to its explosive acceleration of 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 1.9 seconds, top speed of 200 miles per hour, and an extended driving range of more than 520 miles. While Model S Plaid Plus is already superb in its own right, some owners are still thirsting for cosmetics as well. That's why Caviar took it up a notch, coming up with some wildly creative designs. The company announced on Thursday that it's turning the Model S into the Model Excellence 24K at Tesla Model S Plaid Plus with real gold trims. The brand's artists have created an exclusive Tesla Model S concept car. The electric car is presented in black and adorned with decorative elements covered with 999 gold in double electroplated technique, the company wrote about the customized Model S Plaid Plus. As stated by Caviar, the Model Excellence is adorned in eye-catching black with gold accents. It is electroplated in 999 gold, which implies a gold content of 999.9 parts per thousand. Black gloss and dazzling gold have been a popular automotive livery since the days of the Smokey and the Bandit, Trans Am, and even extending into the John Player Special Lotus Grand Prix racers. Tesla Customizing Company, however, has put some tweaks, including a Midas touch, to the original idea by utilizing actual 24-karat gold, the purest form of gold that is available to consumers. Judging by the Model Excellence 24K's photos, a custom radiator grille, wheels, side skirts, door handles, discs, lower body panels, rear view mirrors, and elements of the rear and front bumpers are all rendered in gold. Besides the revised Model S, featuring a revamped exterior, Caviar also threw in some renders of the gold-plated yoke steering wheel and dash screen, which are new additions to the modified Tesla Model S Plaid Plus. Caviar is selling Model Excellence 24K for $299,999, which is a $135,000 markup on the unmodified version of the Model S Plaid Plus. Indeed, the car is reserved for rich and intrepid individuals. The company says that it is planning to produce 99 gold-plated Model S Plaids in a limited edition production run. The company, however, warns that by riding this car, you may dazzle those around you with your splendor. The Model S Excellence 24K might be highly prone to vandalism, as some crooks will try to hack off the gold trims. Caviar allows anyone interested to pre-order the gold-plated vehicle. However, the timeline when the sedan will debut ultimately falls on the automaker. According to Tesla's online design studio, the Model S Plaid Plus variant will not be available until at least mid-next year. Make sure to check out one of the videos shown on your screen right now. We post videos daily, so feel free to subscribe and stay up to date on all most recent news and updates.